This is a video showing how to play back data within PASCO Capstone. I've previously collected a run of data, but now I wish to play it back in real time. To do that, on the lower left-hand side, rather than selecting from the record mode here, I'm going to select on the playback mode down below. Now within this file I have several different runs. If I click on this pull-down menu over here, I can see the available runs which I have named according to the conditions for which the data was collected. So if I wanted to select the 16 card damping, I'll click on this. That sets this slider to the beginning of the run. Now to replay the run, I can click on the play button, and it will show the collection of the data in real time. So I've had the cart, I displace it, and then I let it go, and we can see the cart ringing back and forth to different positions in real time. If I wish to, I can grab the slider and then run it back to a previous time in the run, or use the scrubber and then slowly advance it through these different portions of the run. Again, if I wish to select a different run, I'll select this pull-down menu to the right-hand side and select the next run. By default, it will start at the beginning of the run again, and I can press the play button to once again display this run of data.